Top 5 apps like HousingAnywherecom reviews that actually work today. HousingAnywherecom is popular for finding student and temporary housing, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other verified platforms. The surprising truth is there are multiple apps that offer safe listings, reviews, and secure booking. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Airbnb offers short-term rentals worldwide with verified hosts and guest reviews. Users appreciate flexibility and trustworthiness. Second, Spotahome focuses on mid to long-term rentals with detailed photos and virtual tours. App users highlight transparency and secure transactions. Third, Places caters to students seeking safe and verified housing. Customers love verified listings and clear contracts. Fourth, Nestpick aggregates furnished apartments from multiple providers. Users report variety and reliable filtering options. Finally, Craigslist. While broader, it allows verified housing searches with detailed reviews. Many users emphasize caution, but appreciate variety. Tip: always verify listings, read reviews, and communicate within the app for safety. This prevents scams and ensures a smooth rental process. These 5 apps help you find housing efficiently, safely, and with trusted reviews from verified sources.